Sausages, we got another build series video for you guys. We're going to be doing a build on this 65 Mustang. It does have the 289 small block Ford in it. We are going to be doing some Edelbrock upgrades, hopefully to unlock some of the power. We did do a dyno run. It put down 104 and 179 torque. So hopefully we can squeeze a little bit more out of this guy. It is a very clean car, very clean restoration. Let's get a little more power out of it. So anyways guys, I'm going to show you some of the parts that will be going in this guy, as well as show you that dyno run that we did. And as well as just how clean this car is. It is in amazing shape, so we are honored to work on this guy. Alright, Nick, should we update them on what happened with this thing?
So, old motor out the window.
Yeah.
No bueno.
Yeah, so last we filmed, you were taking that thing apart and...
found a bunch of stuff, not worth putting all new parts on a shitty bottom end. So what we're going to do is, essentially, this is a late model, one piece remain roller motor and it's a 5.0, so it's out of like an 87 to 94 Mustang
302.
302.
Yeah,
we're gonna go ahead and put this in there, aftermarket intake manifold headers and all that good stuff. It's definitely a better combination considering it's all fresh, everything's brand new on it. So very happy with this over that for sure.
So that's the old block there.
That's the old 289, which wasn't worth using. This will be a lot better option, and then later on down the road, if he wants to upgrade the cylinder heads, he's already got the roller cam outfit in it, so it's a lot easier to put the cam and the heads on this setup and make more power than trying to do this with that.
Yeah, okay. Sweet, and this is what, a blueprint motor from Summit?
Yeah. This is their factory 5.0 high output roller motor. Some more features, some better features than that old cast iron tappet cam setup. So right now I'm oil pumping it.
Oil pumping it up, huh?
Oil pump with the drive rod and all that stuff. So we're gonna go ahead and mount that.
Cool. So with this video, I actually wasn't able to get as much footage as I was hoping. I was out of town while Nick was working on it, so I did tell him to get a little bit of footage if he could, but he just kind of went ham working on it and didn't get much footage. So what I'm gonna do is, so you guys don't have to look at my ugly mug, is show you some cool shots of the car and then just talk about it a little bit and just talk about kind of what happened and why we went the route that we did. Let's get right to it. Well, as you guys saw, we didn't end up using the 289. We did get a crate motor from Summit. As Nick explained, it is a 302 motor that is from a newer generation of Mustang. Basically, we took that old motor out and took one of the main bearing caps off of the crank, and there was some scoring on that bearing. We just didn't feel comfortable putting that back in and trying to run it hard on the dyno and seeing how much power we can push and adding the mods that Tom had brought to us just to try and get some power out of that 289. We just didn't feel comfortable pushing that 289, so that was why we went towards the just swapping in that crate motor. So I didn't end up getting any pictures of the bearing, unfortunately. I did want to show you guys why we weren't able to use that motor, but through me being gone and trying to get footage and Nick just working on it, we didn't end up getting any pictures of that bearing, so I couldn't show you guys what it looked like. But it did turn out very nice though. We are happy with the end result. As you can see, it does fit in that engine bay very nice, and it did add quite a bit of power. So let me show you guys a dyno pull and show you guys what it made after getting that new motor in, and let me show you Tom's reaction. We were able to film that for you guys at the very least. So let's get to that right now. JJ is here to pick up his Mustang. Happy to see he's happy, and I'm a little sad to see it go because it's such a nice car. I just love having this thing around the shop. Trying to film his reaction when he comes out here and sees it, starts it up, and drives it out of here. So anyways, I'll show you guys that right now.
She sure looks good, doesn't she? Wow.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah, just it looks proper, right? And I like what you picked here too. Like this just.
Yeah, I think it goes good. Like I said, it's not $289 anymore, but yeah, nobody knows
That's
that.
the
So.
secret
Now it's a sleeper.
It's a secret among friends.
You guys get fired up?
Go for it.
You get the pleasure.
Yeah.
Drive, I have to brake everywhere. So.
Yeah, of course.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams, then you hit your teens. Life ain't really what it seems, try to find out what it means. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah. I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to win. I don't want no fake love, I want the real stuff. Everybody listen up, cause I'll only say it once. I'm gonna show you all the path, if you want it bad. I'm gonna show you where it's at, yeah, how you can get it back. Yeah, cause I ain't never done, I'll be number one. Working hella hard until I get just what I want, yeah. Rises like the sun, yeah, fatal like a gun. Shooter's gonna shoot and I'm gonna shoot until I won, yeah. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get